Palma, Spain. Illegal street racers gather huge crowds on a Friday night. These backstreet gamblers roll the dice with death at over 100 miles an hour. But when a hot rodder shows off his ride, he burns out more than rubber. The car skids straight into the path of speeding daredevils. The bikes keep going, taking out spectators at the knees. As for the riders, this man's helmet flies off, and it's skull versus concrete. He lands head first at breakneck speed, tumbling across the asphalt. Incredibly, both bikers escape with minor injuries. After coming this close to the graveyard, these speed junkies will think twice before they roll the bones again.